Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. So today we will discuss Python if-else statement. Now what is if-else statement? If-else statement, so there are two conditions. Either we will execute one condition or the another condition. There are three types of if statement. A single if statement, this will execute if only one condition is true. Second is if-else statement, it will execute when the condition is true and else part will also execute if the condition is not true. Elif statement, this is used for multiple if else statements. Like if number equal to 10, then print this. If number not equal to 10, then it will check if number equal to 50, then it will print this. And if number is not equal to 50 also, then it will check this statement. If equal to 100, then it will print 100. If all of this is not correct, so now this will print the last statement. Last statement will always be else statement. So now let's go to the Visual Studio Code and run this program. Now here we are inputting the number. We are This means we are getting the input from the user. Input, enter a number, and we are getting this in the form of integer. So this will be stored in num variable. And now here we are checking the variable which we have in num. We are getting the remainder. This is called modulus operator and it will give remainder. If num modulus 2 is equal to 0, then this means that it is an even number. So let's run this program first. It is running. Now it is asking enter the number. So I will enter the number. Let's say I'm giving S4 and print and press enter. Now it will say that the given number is an even number. So this is only a single if statement. If the condition is true, then this statement will be printed on. Now, if you want that if it is not equal to 2, if the remainder is not equal to 2, then it should print else part also. So we can give here else part. Now, if remainder is not equal to 0 when divided by 2, so it should print the given number is an odd number. Now, let's go to the run statement and run without debugging. Now I have entered 5. Let's say I'm going to enter 5 here and print enter. So it will print the given number is an odd number. So this is if else statement. Similarly, we have this if else statement here also. We are inputting the age. If age is greater than 18, then you are eligible to vote, or otherwise it will print you have to wait. So now run this program. Let's correct the indentation first. Now we are inputting the age here and storing it into age variable. If age is greater than 18, then it will print you are eligible to vote. If it is not equal to 18, sorry, if it is less than 18, then it will print sorry, you have to wait. Now let's run this program. We are entering, let's say we are entering the age as 25. Now press enter. So since it is greater than 20, 18, so it will print you are eligible to vote, because whatever I have entered, this will stored into age. So I have entered here 25. It will stored into age, and if age is greater than 18, yes, it is correct. Then this will print this statement. Now we have elif statement. Now here you can see we are inputting the number and storing it into number variable. If number equal to 10, it will print the number is equals to 10. If it is not equal to 10, then it will check the second statement and it will check if it is equal to 50. If it is 50, then it will print this statement. If it is not equal to 50, then it will check another if statement. And if it is equal to 100, then this will print 100. If are none of the conditions are true, then it will go to the last statement and it will print the given number is not equal to 10, 50, 100. Let's run this program. Enter the number it is asking. I am entering here, let's say 50, and the given number is equal to 50. It has printed here. Now let's give some another number other than 10, 50, or 100, and let us see what will be the output. Now I am printing here. I am giving the input as 99. Press enter. So since the number is not equal to 10, not equal to 50, not equal to 100, so it will print last statement. The given number is not equal to 10, 50, or 100. So I hope you all have liked this video, and if you have any doubt, so you can comment in the comment section. Also, if you want to have a look at the cheat sheet, or if you want to take a look at these if-else statements, so you can visit my tech blog. So I have written down all the programming statements here, so you can visit here also. Thank you for watching.